lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today let's unbox and review the new Odd Giraffe 2022 planner. Let's get started. So this is how the packaging came in and I received it in less than 5 days after I ordered it. It's a quick delivery and it's one of the planner that I received quite early. So let's unbox it. It has a sticker, oh my god, and this is how the packaging looks. It has Odd Giraffe logo on it. While we open, it says drum rolls please. These tiny mentions were really nice. At the top of the box, it says you're fresher than fresh flowers, and this is how the package looks like. It just have a lot of stuff and I'm so excited. First, we have this postcard which has an amazing floral print and it says write a letter to your future self, pop it in the mail or have a friend to do it for a little reminder when it comes back to you. It's just cute. Here we have a little note which says there is so much to look forward to. Then we have the meet the artist behind the planner and it just have like a gallery view of all the people that worked to make this planner. It's a different way of giving credits to the creators. And then we have this beautiful envelope which is a pastel baby pink sort of an envelope. It says Odd Giraffe. At the back it says you're like so nice, which is so nice. And inside we have a thank you card. It's really special to have a thank you card inside an envelope instead of just having a thank you card as it is. I really like this unique tiny details of this planner. Then we have this big sticker pack and it says feel your very best. It's a one big sticker. Then we have two sticker sheets. Let's have a look at the stickers. Stickers are pretty cute. Now let's move on to the planner. So this is how the planner looks like. I've gone for this design which says work hard and be nice to people, and it's a beautiful pastel and baby pink sort of a pink color. The quote wordings are really nice and it's kind of embellished work. I really like it, and it's a spiral bound planner and it is gold foil. I've gone for spiral bound planner. I really like spiral bound more than the hard bound variant. So it's a gold foil spiral bound and the quality is really nice and premium. When we open the planner, first thing we have is a pocket to store our stickers, notes or just little things while we do our planning, and it says your all the good things, and the pocket is carried out to the next side as well. And at the right side we have this planner belongs to, in which we can write our name. Then at the left we have a planner dedicated to you and your well-being. It's kind of a note from the creator of the planner. And at the right we have the theme of the year is optimism, and I think they got this theme for the year. And in the next page we have a cute little heartworks at the left, and at the right we have meet the artist, like the credits. And then next page we have stickers. They say there are so many stickers in here. These 3 sheets are attached to the planner, and let's have a look at these stickers as well. Now we have say it with stickers, in which we have to answer in stickers for the questions or prompts that they have given here. These are the things that they have asked, like mood for 2022, small things that I love the most, something I can eat all day, like that. It's really cute and fun exercise. Then we have the yearly layout, like a yearly calendar for 2022 and 2023 as well, so that we can have an yearly overview of what the year is going to be. Then we have write down some reasons to party, in which we have all the months, few lines below it, in which we can write birthdays, anniversaries or any parties, then just write. It's like a year at a glance or a memory lane. Then we have holidays or the best days. All the holidays mentioned from January 1 till December 31st of 2022. And I just really love this. It's true. Holidays are the best days. And having a list of holidays in the upcoming year is really great idea. Then we have like a sort of a little journaling session, in which they've asked some journaling kind of questions and prompts in order to journal. So it's a nice way to just journal a bit and then start a new year. Then we have how do you feel about the year ahead. This is a space for free thinking. You can just brain dump or you can just write free flow of thoughts in here. Then comes our monthly spread. So this is the artwork for January. It says fresh new beginnings. And I really like the artwork. It's just so different, so beautiful. Then we have the monthly calendar layout. It has a nice enough space to write our deadlines, meetings and everything in this tiny box. And they've also mentioned national special days as well. So I really like the monthly calendar, and they have given two sides of note section in which we can just write any notes or brain dump or just use it as a space for something that this planner doesn't have. Next we have the goal section in which it says 3 things I'm grateful for. It's a nice idea to start the month with a gratefulness note. And then we have skills I'm practicing, books I'm reading, goals for the month, brain dump and everything. I really like how they included brain dump. It's really a good exercise in order to brain dump before starting new month. We can feel so refreshed and we can gain clarity. At the right we have trackers. We have the habit tracker in which we can track 4 habits. Next we have the daily/weekly layout in which we can plan our everyday or a week in advance. The layout is horizontal, so you can use it for planning and as well as a journal or like a diary as well. Then the national day is also mentioned in the weekly/daily layouts as well, which is also great. After all the daily layouts over, they given this one blank page, and then we have the reflection section. Reflecting the past month is really important in order to move on to the next. It's really nice addition, and it has notes and doodle. How did the focus of the month go? What worked? What didn't work? My favorite part of this month. Then the February monthly layout begins. So this is how the February artwork looks like. Today is the right day to love. So all the monthly layouts would be similar. So I'm just going to be flipping through the monthly cover design. So this is how the March layout looks. It's just giving a summary vibes. Then comes the April. I really like the April artwork. Next is May. May they have given things you shouldn't apologize for. It just look like a infographic. I really like it. Then we have June. It's giving me like a vintage vibe. Then comes the July. It says just happy to be here and a lot of smileys. Then August. August is go where you feel most alive, and it's nice. September it says take a break. October collective power. It's like a resembling a teamwork. And November it has lot of cherries and everything. Then December is lots of cakes and cupcakes and everything. So let's see what after the December layout looks like. Okay, after December reflection, we have plenty of notes pages. As you guys can see, these pages we can just use it as something that is not included in this planner, or you can just doodle and just write anything and everything. Like you can write your book reading list for 2022 or movies to watch in 2022, or you can do a year-end review at the end of 2022 as well in the notes pages. It has elastic band closure, and yeah, this is the Odd Giraffe 2022 planner. I really like the planner. It's simple yet so functional. It has all the basic necessities to plan our year, month and week. So I really like the color-coded monthly tabs. I really like the artworks. So unique and nice. And also we have a lot of stickers and lots of notes pages as well. The price of this planner is 1,699. I do have this payment option called Sizzle, which I talked about in my planner overview kind of a video. If you haven't watched it, I will link that video in the I button and in the description box as well. With that payment option in which you can pay for your planner in EMIs, which is really cool option if you can't afford it in one go, or if you're a student who's saving your pocket money in order to afford a planner. I don't see any other brand have this option other than the bank's official pay later option. So I just thought to share with you guys. So this is a overview, flip through, unboxing and review of the Odd Giraffe 2022 large 12-month planner. As I said earlier, it has all the basic elements and sections in order to plan a month, year, week, day ahead. If you like the planner spreads and designs of this planner, then you can give it a shot. This flip through might be useful for you guys. If it is, then give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're a planner lover, because a lot of planner unboxing are coming your way soon. Click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.